initiated and organized, is recognized as a global leader in green solutions, and Nordic countries fully share the vision of the European Green Deal to protect the environment, fight climate change, and improve sustainability in the future. The initiative is a continuation of last year's project, where we will focus on 4 important topics: sustainable agriculture. In the spirit of close collaboration, each Nordic country, Nordic experts will share their experiences, challenges they have faced to help sustainable growth in Serbia. Žaković, the director of the Science for Sustainable Agriculture. Your Excellency.
And Ambassador of Sweden, Annika Ben-David. Norway will organize an event in Belgrade on first next year. Sweden will organize in Čačak an event on waste management and separation. It is important to remember that when the word is species agriculture is so important in this context, and all the while maintaining top standards of animal welfare. That is not a task for
Boris Nadluga.